Okay, hello there. My name's Andy Gould. Most of you will have met me during your interview for the Built Environment course. Just a very, very short clip because obviously your course, your first day is Monday the 7th, where you will meet myself and the tutor, and we'll go through the induction for the level threes. We've had the level ones in this week. We've started today. So we thought it was easier to break the days down so we didn't have as many people on campus at the same time. So hopefully you've been able to install the My Day app on your phones or devices. You will have got instructions in one of your emails after you successfully enrolled, which you all have. So when you open up the Reseith FE page, there's all sorts of information here. But what the one that you need to click is this Microsoft Teams icon, which is down the bottom, which is the T with the two people in it. So if I click that, that opens up Microsoft Teams, and whichever teams you are enrolled on at your time at Reseith, they will all be shown here. So I'm just going to go back. So you can see these are the teams that I've been enrolled in, which means my phone pings about 40 times every second with updates. But you will definitely see the Welcome to Construction one because I've manually enrolled you. So if you select that tile, what will happen then is it will take you to a page, and on that page you've got a list of all the courses on the left hand side. So what you need to do is look down that list and you'll see level 3 construction in the built environment. So you click that page and then you'll see that I've posted a couple of updates. And in the top one it says there's 3 replies. So if you click the 3 replies, it'll drop down and hopefully you'll see 2 YouTube clips based around health and safety. So basically I want you to watch those videos because health and safety is going to be one of the modules that you pick up in your first year. So there's a setting out video explaining what your roles and responsibilities are going to be on a building site and what your employer's roles and responsibilities are. And then underneath there's another link. It's an American one, but it's really informative about the roles and responsibilities. Then below that there's a link to the HSE, the Health and Safety Executive, but the construction link, and that's going to become probably one of the main areas for your research into your health and safety module. So that's there for you to access. Apologies, but you will get used to a lot of heavy metal whilst you're on this course. So apologies for that. So that's what I want you to focus on until you arrive on Monday the 7th, and then we'll go into a bit more detail. So hopefully now you've seen this link, you'll be able to access that. If you're still having some problems, then contact me and we'll try and push that through, or alternatively we will wait until your first day on Monday. But please don't think that you're missing out or losing ground, because you're not. We've got 2 years, haven't we? So it's a whole new world, this online enrolment, and I appreciate there's been a few glitches, but once we get to Monday it's full steam ahead. But hopefully, having watched this link, you'll be able to access the My Day app and the Welcome to Construction page. Okay, thank you very much.